In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Tailscale. By the end, you'll be comfortably signed in and ready to use your secure Tailnet. First, install the Tailscale client for your device. Tailscale supports Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and more, and the process is very similar across platforms. Download the installer that matches your system and let it complete. On some devices, you may be asked to approve installing a network extension or to grant standard permissions. Go ahead and allow those so Tailscale can create its secure connection. If you're on Linux, use the package that matches your distribution. Keep the installer defaults unless you have a specific reason to change them, and make sure you're installing from the official Tailscale source so you're getting the genuine app. Next, run the Tailscale app or the command line interface. On a desktop, open the Tailscale application and click the Login or Sign In button. If you're using the CLI, trigger the login flow from your terminal. In both cases, Tailscale will provide a sign-in link, a URL you'll open in your web browser to authenticate. On many systems, your default browser will pop open automatically with the correct page. If it doesn't, just copy the URL from the app or terminal and paste it into your browser. Keep the app or terminal window open while you complete the sign-in in your browser. Now authenticate in the browser. You'll land on the Tailscale login page. Choose the identity provider that your Tailnet uses. This could be Google, Microsoft, GitHub, or your organization's single sign-on. Pick the account that belongs to your Tailnet so your device joins the right network. One of the nice things about Tailscale is that it relies on your existing identity provider, so there's no new account to manage. If your Tailnet supports passkeys, you can also select Sign In with a passkey for a fast, secure login without typing anything. Follow the on-screen prompts from your identity provider until you see confirmation that the login succeeded. Once authentication completes, return to the Tailscale app or terminal. You should see that the device is signed in to your Tailnet, and the secure connection is active. If you were using the CLI, the terminal will indicate that login succeeded. From here, you can keep the app running in the background. Tailscale will maintain the connection for you. That's it. You've installed the client, launched the app or CLI, opened the sign-in link, and authenticated using your identity provider or a passkey. You're now logged in and ready to use Tailscale.